Kubor nakaslem jong Shongsaiñ Hima.
Harian ka Jingjia ka Jingjia kan at hapadeng gijat menrio Manipuri hanong Rim Hills henen ka janmi jong ka South Trek ujamang arajar arpulai ka Hnyf Trap National Youth Front nong Thamai Circle menta kasi ka Santrek ujamang arajar arpulai kala lait banya kandu iki jat menrio Manipuri ki badegi nong ket kam jong ki seng bhalang baper ki basyong basa hanong ba shlong banya kran halor banwanra ka Shongsuk Shongsaiñ habo ka jalahi barok kawai nakne ang president ka Hnyf ba tilibor swear habakran bikilat pathai khubor ula ong baka sengkala dap banya kandu badia kran ba president ka Cookie Students Organization Shillong ujangko hau hangshing badu CH thangamba mitei president ka Shillong Manipuri Students Union ha ka baka Hnyf kala kentu baka ka baja ha Manipur kamde banja ha Meghalaya barkade bandan ka Shongsuk Shongsaiñ ubat tilibor lai thuru bakini kinongket kam ka KSO baka SMSU kila pentik na baka baja ha Manipur kanom Ktah nong ba Shillong mat kanom dan ka jingkan shan ni jing pension
dia mentak sini nak kaliang ka Hnyf nong Thamai Circle ila yo ya kejing pentep kami ke Jingjia yang dia pok nong rem dia ngakum u presiden hakajuk puar ngadai ru assistant general secretary jong ka East Health dia ngalap perkat bah hak bai dai bat ki member la jong la perkat mengla pusan bah kani ke Jingjia ka bejam menjen kalak ban mi ka thma ba ka bahya ngila bang tungku ikijat bendio ka jong iru dia nak kaliang ka jong ngila sim ya ka jingkit clear ya ka jing snow kya ngila fu ni kini ki nong yalam jong ki bro arliang di party ngila keren la khana sa fuan da nang tung ong ka bha ba phiwan ngin ya kando nang bang yo ya ka jing sai ka ba benya dia ka bor ba ya keren ba kini kum mapi lang ba ke media pila yok sngo ba na kaliang ka jong kini ru kimdon hi kata ka ministerium ban kenshot ban penshot ya ki brio ki jong ki kolong ka iga bas ngo kumen hiru te niru na kaliang ka jong hi ngila ai ka kubor ya ngila ai ka karwo siki ba sngo bha ba pen perkhat bha amar ka Jingjia ka ba stai Manipur ngem don benta ka iga iru ngem kwa ban interfere hiru ka Jingjia ka ba stai ai kan ya stai tang bala da kaya sini kan Ktah ya ka Shongsuk Shongsaiñ tang jong kipat ba ki jat mendio ki pada ki jat mendio jong ni tu haba mentang idang em ha ka Shongsuk Shongsaiñ ai ba kan ya begam tu namar wad kini ki khna ki badan sini ki khna ki jong ki da ka jat mendio jong ki dai buon ki khna ki bawan puli puthi sini dia man supen involved man indulge lang ki hapo kan ni ka kam pen kan shot pen shit ki kan mi kan yale kulmar em tu ka future jong ki ru ki do ka pen mi do ka jing huru ra po ka snong ka thau pe kumen NPE ba wat da ki nong snong nong kon rim ki ong bala up miet stay te ngalai kan do ngalak phone i rong ba snong nong kon rim ru la phone ni rong ba snong jong ka nong siliang ru ngila yo ban ya keren la yo ban thur remote tang ba na ki kam bam la laj kam la ban ya poilang dia kamtam kan ni kalan nong Thamai sini lai kibun ha kini ki jat mendio meitai ki jat mendio kuki te bantam ya kan ni khat khnang iki pakin ai ka jing bonsai ban yo sngo ki pat ba ki nong snong la ki dei ki jat mendio kuki na la ki jat mendio meitai na bakin sngo thu ba pemdei ban le set kli sini ma la da poi hu to puat kan mi thma ba ka ba he so ban poi ka tu ni na kaliang ka sang hi ni la sem ka jing snokya la pensai kiru na kaliang jong kiru kala pedang ya kejing ai jumut ke jongi bakil ong banang ni skman kat bangila ngila ya le bantam dia na kaliang jong piru ngo bahaya rap ngilai na kaliang kaseng ngilong ki bakloi mar ngila song ngidon bentalang hakani ke north east ke bangi ong yang kwa hi kejing ya per jumut apa deng ke jongi ada pia don bentalang bat ngi ngiru ni kloi ban ya rap la pikwa pipa ni kejeng yarap na kaliang ka jok kaseng Hnyf kalong ka bakloi ban mi ahmad klam om da kitiar kita ndai da kejeng skot jumat yang persong thu ai kiru ba phim dei ban le amnia tang lada ka ja biang lang ni skmat pan ke lada don kam ban yada na menta ikun samla ka jaj bandio la jong ke man sie bang hab ban mi mada tang ta kan tiang disebut.
Our concern was if or house or like homes are like, if there is no peace there, it is basically affect everyone here because it's our parents back home who support us here. That's why we are aware that our students, not only students here, but families here, everyone will have this emotional trauma, and that exactly happened as we have expected. So not only our community, even the Meiteis, it's the same case. So situation broke out there, and these days everything is so fast, it spreads so fast anywhere. So everything was like whatever happens there, the moment it reached here. So that's why as soon as this broke out, first we discussed what should we do. And our main concern was not to make any problem here. As far as possible to control our people here. Because we have students, they are still very young. Since they have this emotional tense, they are still head hot guys. And our main concern was those guys. That's why the first thing we do was we spread information officially with our letterhead. Don't do anything stupid here. Don't do anything unnecessary here. That was the first message we spread out. And we also talk with our elders, and we also talk with the hostel wardens, and then the house owners. If possible, please try to help us out. Don't let the students come out at night. And we also even talk with the college authorities. This thing happened, so please help us in maintaining, college boys. And when it first broke out, the first night, that was we did not sleep. Some boys honestly saying they show their anger through message also. That's how we come to learn that there are people who can create problem. So we have been trying to control them, trying to contain them somehow. Then unfortunately yesterday, as we expected, without our knowledge, we got rumors that there are some people who's going to create problem. So morning we intervened and we dispersed them. So that was our first practical job regarding this issue in Shillong. And in spite of all those efforts, a small incident happened yesterday. And luckily, with our mutual understanding with the leaders of the Meiteis, with the help of police, we could solve the problem amicably. So until now, since those, after solving that problem, till now, we could contain somehow. So we also hope that we will not be a problem creator here in this peaceful environment, and we will give our best effort. And we also, convey every minute, whole day, whole night, that this is not the right place to create problem now. Let's not bring the dirty scenes here in Meghalaya. So that is our most concern now, and we are working hard only for that. That is why when some people call us, maybe the police, maybe the student organization here, and the student leaders and the welfare committee, we are ready to talk about how to maintain peace here.
Drop out from Manipur from a specific area called Sisipur, where cookies are dominated. I wouldn't go much farther. Everybody knows from the media and all those, but still some media, some are game things going on. These are right, these are wrong. We are not going to judge anyone. We are not anyone to judge also. We don't have any competent authority to judge that. But so far as the Shillong is concerned, Meghalaya is concerned, we haven't reacted anything. We are a peace-loving community. We have been for many generations. We have been silent. And whatever in Manipur is happening, let it be aside. Here in Shillong, just like the way that what happened yesterday, we were very feel bad as well as we termed that as very unfortunate, and we condemn that things should not be happen as, and we already have a talk with our brothers as well, so mutual understanding was there. So things has happened, past is past, gone is gone. So let's move forward. We should say that let's move forward for peace, for prosperity, and then once even said, Brother Babur said that if things involve again with somebody else, then it will be very chaos. This is nothing. It will again burn like Manipur again. So we don't want to do that, and we don't want to take any credit of it. We don't want to say that this is right, this is wrong, I'm right, you are wrong, or you are right, I'm wrong, nothing like that. So we are, at this very moment, we are also controlling from our side. We have been telling through a group, through elders, through hospitals, through this even some of the elders, that we are not supposed to start any violence, or we are not supposed to react as well. But as a human beings, we have limitations to what to say, to stand. If that breaks out, that then we are so sorry. But I believe that may not be happen. That may not happen at all. So we are trying our best to control. So that's what the reason that yesterday happened. We don't react. We do not respond. We do not come forward and then say that it has to be case and it has to be for something. So we thought that as a brothers and sister, we maintain the peace, and so we love that peace. So that peace should be here, should not come, or it should not be backbite as well, like in the media as well, that some community trying to prove that their community is wrong, that another community trying to prove that this community is wrong. This is very wrong. And I'm not pointing any community, I'm just talking in the general term, that which has to be, right? And then as part of them, we're trying to contain them. But the same way it goes to us as well. We are trying our best to make the things come in hand, all right? Not to go out of hand, to be controlled by our hand, and then we go peacefully, right? And then I hope from our side, nothing is there to talk as also, because we have never thought of any violence. It's just simple. We have nothing like any agenda, nothing. We have no propaganda, nothing. We have no meeting at all. We just talk about safeguarding our brothers and sisters who are still a student, because their parents are far away, and we take the responsibility for them. So once if they get hurt again and again, then we will do something else. But we will not do by ourselves. We will talk to the competent authority of Shillong, police, with the organization. So, but for the good sake, I'm talking about not going against the rule or against the law and order, but we love the law and order being provided by the government of Meghalaya, and then we move forward to the peace. That's all.